How to get the Autohammer in Terraria. So you cannot craft this station or find it anywhere in your world. It is strictly locked behind a specific NPC in late hard mode. First is, of course, you must defeat Pantera in the underground jungle. Second is you must spawn the truffle NPC, and to do this you must artificially create a surface glowing mushroom biome. And as you can see, I built one right here and it says Inoki the truffle has arrived. And he's just right here, so let's go to him. So your house should look something like this, but it doesn't have to be this big. It can be as little as these houses right there. So once the truffle moves in, open his shop, just like that, right click on it, and click on shop. So he will sell the Autohammer for exactly 1 platinum and 9 gold. So you will need this Autohammer to combine chlorophyte bars with glowing mushrooms to forge the Shroomite Bars, which are the absolute best material for crafting endgame ranged armor and the hoverboard. So let's place it inside here, just like that. And that is how you basically get the Autohammer in Terraria.